What makes Kamvas 13 a good pen display? This is the new Huion Kamvas 13, a pen display with everything you can expect, from appearance to performance. It is a perfect partner for both indoor and outdoor creation. Because of full lamination technology, the pen display goes thinner and thinner to 11.8 millimeters. And with USB-C, charge and transmission becomes simpler. Adopt a PenTech 3.0. The new digital pen can mimic the feel of working with a traditional pen or brush. It also boasts 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 256 pps report rate, which can capture every inspiration instantly and naturally. Tilt support makes different drawing techniques possible. Anti-glare screen protector together with 120% sRGB color gamut brings clear and vivid image. But wait, there's more. Connectivity with Android devices allows you to synchronize your drawing through painting apps like Huion Sketch. Conversion between pen display and pen tablet can fit different needs. Last but not least, the price of this pen display is wallet-friendly, capable, professional, and affordable. This is the new Huion Kamvas 13 pen display.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.